Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and into this video I'm going to show you how to create slide text effect using Coreldraw. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can slice your text like this, okay, using Coreldraw. If you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics and this is where we learn graphic design. Kindly subscribe to this channel and stick to the end of this video. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So in your Coreldraw, you are going to create a rectangle. You are going to draw a rectangle like this. So it's either you draw your rectangle or you come here and double click on it, you will have your rectangle appear over here. So kindly remove the outline, just come here and right click so the outline is off. So you can give it a black color just the way we have it here, and then you type your text, okay, sliced, okay, something like this. Give it whatever name you want, so it's fine. So I'm going to have my slice something like this. Okay, so if I bring it here, you won't see it because the font color is black, so I'm just going to give it a white color. That's the font color should be white. So now I'm going to change the fonts to something else, something like this. The font I use here is called Blue Highway. So all I need to do is to just scale it up like this. I'm going to try to bring it to the center so that you can see. All right, Control C. So P will bring it to the center. So I'm going to reduce it a bit because it looks big. So I think we should just use slice instead of using the effect. Let's use sliced. So something like this, easy. Okay, easy peasy for us to be able to work with what we are doing. So the next thing you are going to do after typing your text, I'm going to convert this to curve. So right click on your text and you click on convert to curve. All right, so then the next thing you are going to do, come to this your crop tool, click on this black note that you see, here, just click on it. So this other option will pop up like just come up like this. So you just click on knife. All right, so now click on wherever you want to start slicing your stuff. So you click and drag all the way to where you want to stop. Okay, so this is how I want it to be done. So I'm just going to click and then release my hand from the mouse. So once you now select, click on your pick tool and come back to this, so you can see that this thing has been sliced. Your text is well sliced. Okay, so you can maybe give it a color. I prefer to use something like this and give it this green. If you want to use green, gray, or whichever one, prefer something like this. Then on top of it, we can just give it a little bit of black kind of a thing, not too dark. It could be, let's say 90%. Let's give 90% black. Okay, so 90% black is fine. I think 90% is too dark. Let's give it 70%. Okay, so 70% is fine. All right, so we can do the same thing with the other one up here. All you need to do is just right click and drag to this up one and then copy and fill. Okay, so once you copy and fill, click on this place, click on this particular one, this one, and then you adjust it the way you want. Okay, adjust it. You can leave this other one completely white. Okay, you can leave this one completely white, something like this. So I'm trying to just that's where you will be able to apply your own manipulative idea, right? To be able to manipulate the text the way you want. Okay, and give it whichever color. So the most important thing, we were able to slice the text. Okay, so that's how you slice your text using Coreldraw. So tell me what you think under the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.